Want to know how to use the slider control feature on your DJI Osmo Pocket 1, 2, or 3? This feature helps you customize how you control zoom or gimbal movement for smoother shots. In this video, I'll show you how to change the slider control on your DJI Osmo Pocket. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. Method 1. Slider control through screen. First, turn on the camera. Then the slider is an icon that appears on the right side of the home screen. Tap the slider icon to switch its function. Then the slider displays a zoom ratio, like 1x. Then just drag it up or down. Then it will control the camera's digital zoom. And the joystick on the Pocket 3 will then control the tilt and pan axis of the gimbal. But when the slider displays an arrow pattern without numbers, then just dragging it up or down, and it will control the gimbal's tilt axis, and the joystick will then control the zoom. Method 2. Using the settings. Turn on the camera, now swipe down to bring the menu options. Then tap on the gear icon, now scroll down a little bit, and after that, tap on slider control. Here, you will have two choices, like gimbal and zoom. If you select gimbal, then it will make the on-screen slider control the gimbal's tilt axis, and the joystick will then be used for the zoom. But if you select the zoom option, then it will make the on-screen slider control the camera's zoom, and the joystick will then control the gimbal's pan and tilt. And that's how you use the slider control feature on your DJI Osmo Pocket 1, 2, or 3. I know this is a little bit complicated, but these are the processes to use. So thanks for watching. Goodbye for today. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned and take care.